From the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, this is an ITTV special report.
Our next guest is from Mitsubishi Electric. They're introducing, get this, a 92-inch 3D DLP TV here at CES, and it is spectacular. I'm hoping Andres had a chance to shoot a little of it. Hard to shoot 3D, even in HD, that all of our stuff is in, but it's a gorgeous unit. The Director of Product Development for Mitsubishi Electric is Dave Naranjo. Naranjo or Naranjo? How do you say it?
Naranjo.
Naranjo, all right. Welcome back into Tomorrow. How are you, Dave?
Good, how about yourself, Dave?
Pretty good. You guys got to be loving the attention appropriately that you're getting. 92-inch, safe to say the largest 3D television so far?
The largest commercially available 3D television so far.
Yeah, good, and you're doing it. Now, and of course DLP, so it's a digital light processing, rear projected set, no doubt. Looks spectacular. And tell me the difference, aside from size, between this 3D DLP and other 3D TVs available.
Well, fundamentally, David, most of the technology used in digital cinema today uses DLP. So when people go to actually watch a movie in cinema, they're actually using DLP. The brightest and the most advanced technology available to really make 3D come across as a very immersive experience.
Yeah.
We've taken that technology and now put it into the largest TV, and that's a 92-inch.
Wow. And why 92? Why not just 90? Or why not 100 for that matter? How did you settle on 92?
Several years ago, we introduced an 82-inch. And we were attacking the front projector market because we felt that many people that wanted a large screen experience at home, but didn't want the hassle of installing the front projector and all the wiring, and we attacked that market. 92-inch seemed as the most logical step to build upon the 82-inch.
And I guess that makes sense too, because a lot of folks, a lot of our listeners that talk about their flat panels, frequently they'll go from a 55 to a 65,
Exactly.
and it, upgrade that living room TV for the whole family, and it seems to be that 10-inch difference.
Absolutely.
So size does matter.
Size does matter.
Yeah, and of course DLP. Let's talk about the popularity now of this Texas Instruments licensed digital light processing. Mitsubishi has certainly made a commitment over the years in DLP.
3D in DLP probably is the best technology available today, only because it provides the fastest switching speed, gives you great brightness, and gives you great vibrancy of color. No other technologies they can give you those three types of technologies for 3D to make it a really immersive experience. And quite honestly, DLP allows us to go very large at a very affordable price point. And I think you agree, David, 3D is best experienced on a large screen television.
Oh yeah.
Why would you want to watch 3D on a 40 or 46? Watch it on a 65, 73.
Of course. Or 92.
Or 92.
Yeah, exactly. But now with this larger screen, are we having to be more concerned about the light in the room as well? Because it seems like, we're talking about a projection system, even rear projected. We want to have a bit of a darker environment, do we not?
It doesn't matter.
No?
We've done some things to the technology that doesn't matter whether it's a bright room or a dark room.
Is the television automatically adjusting for room brightness at all, or does that not become necessary?
We're looking at implementing ambient sensors, although we haven't made that decision yet, but that would certainly address the issue of different lighting conditions.
One of the things that I hear constantly, and I'm sure you do as well, as we talk about 3D TV and the excitement and the popularity, whether I'm doing a speaking engagement or just our listeners calling in, is there enough content? Is now a good time to buy a 3D? And I'm always talking about, if you're not into just gaming, that's reason enough. But if you're not into that, or how about movies? Okay, the occasional 3D movie. Well, now we've got nature channels, Discovery Channel 3D, sports. If you've never seen a football coming at you in 3D, you don't know what you're missing. So, in your opinion, is there already enough content and certainly more to come?
I think clearly not enough content is available, especially when it comes to live content. So I think you're seeing people like ESPN do more 3D broadcasts for football, basketball. I think as that grows, more people will certainly find the need to want 3D television in the home.
Yeah.
Not unlike the days of HDTV.
Right, HD was great, but there was so little content.
Exactly.
And everybody had the same problem. We were clamoring to watch stuff we couldn't care less about
Exactly.
just because it was in high def.
Exactly.
So, not an issue, hopefully, with 3D. They're
No, I
going to
think
get
it's
the
going to
ball.
have the same growth curve as probably even quicker than HDTV.
Yeah, hopefully. All right, let's talk real quick about the availability of the 92-inch and price.
So we're not formally announcing pricing. What I can tell you to
That means if we have to ask, we can't afford it.
Well, no, not necessarily.
Okay.
It'll be available in the summertime, 2011, and the price will be anywhere from $5,000 to $6,000 for a 92-inch.
That's very reasonable for that size of a set.
Yes.
And DLP, so you've got that great technology. You want to check it out at Mitsubishi-TV.com. DLP.com for more info. And of course, it's in our highlight video this week, so you'll be able to see. I hope Andre's got somebody standing next to it, so you can see the size. It's gorgeous. So keep up the good work.
Thank you, David.
We appreciate you joining us.
Thank you so much.
Our pleasure.